Hello, good morning. My name is Nilesh Hanumant Shinde, and today's date is 28th August, 28th September 2021, and I am going to describe today's video topic. Today's video topic is full stack developer or full stack development. So, first we discuss the what is the full stack development. Uh, we are knowing the web application. There are when we are developing a web application, there are the different steps in that. Steps are there are the some concepts which is related to development of the web application. That's the first is the front end, then servers, and last is the database. So the full stack developer means who develops Java or any language program or web application with all of this, that is from start to end program. The work the work of the full stack developer is the create a web application from start to end. That means the full stack developer is create a application which is this full stack developer is working on a database, and it is also working on a server side, and it is also work on a Angular or our viewpoint. That means whatever our client is seeing on our web application page, front page. So this is some basics of the full stack development. Now we discuss what is this exactly backend and server side and Angular front end. Nowadays the front end and first we discuss what is our server. The server is our main controller, or we can say what is whatever we operation in done in SQL, we are SQL or our web application, we are controlling from the server. We can also controlling from the front end, that for application like Angular. So nowadays we are using a REST controller. There are the another type of the controller this is also called as a MVC or MCV controller. That means the model view and controller. So the model is connected to database, and the database and this controller is connected to our Spring Boot, or connected to Angular, and the view is also connected with the Angular. So the software the full stack developer is develop our or create a coding or create a program inside the controller, and it have to connect our Spring. We can use the Spring Boot for the server side, and this Spring which we have to connect to our database, and this database we are connected by using the Hibernate. There is a new technology in nowadays. The Hibernate is vastly used. So the Hibernate the Spring Boot is connected to SQL via Hibernate. The Hibernate is loosely coupled with SQL language, loosely coupled with our Spring Boot and the SQL. That means we can, whenever we have to replace this Hibernate, then we can easily replace it. So this is a very important thing. And now we discuss the connectivity between the front end and the Spring. That is front end means there are the one part, that is the whatever our client or our users are seen on the our web application front page. So front page or any other pages, this is a not this is nothing but a HTML and CSS. We can already know that the HTML and CSS, and the Angular is connected the database, the Spring Boot application and our front end. So we can also create some coding or some controlling on by using the Angular, or and we can also uh, adding the security by using Angular. So these are the use of the Angular, and the full stack developer is known these all terms perfectly, and this full stack development or developer which develops end-to-end application, means start to end application. And the terms for terms we related to full stack development, that means the full stack development must be have that skills, that's this Angular or front-end technology, any front-end technology. Nowadays there are the Angular and the React.js is most famous for the front-end technology, and and the server-side technology means there are the some server-side technologies like our Java language or Spring Boot or C++, Python. These are the server-side technology, and the JavaScript is also front-end technology, not back-end technology. And there are the last part of the uh, our web application is a database. The database, the type of the now famous data types are the MySQL and MySQL plus and Oracle and DBS. That's all are the some famous database. They are used. They are nowadays. These are very famous and vastly used. So these all skills the front end developer must be have these all skills. So this is for because they have to develop a end-to-end application. So this is all about the full stack development or the full stack developer. Thank you.